We're out here camping, taking a look at some Civivi knives, and let's take a look at some of their aluminum handled options, starting with a utility model. This one is called the Elementum Utility, and as you can see, it has the grip of the Elementum line. This one is a button lock, so it has a flipper on the back, opens and closes real easily. Aluminum handle, you can flip that clip from left to right, no problem. This is tip up carry with the thumb studs to open. Nice cutouts on both sides, and as you can see, this uses razors. You just take out that screw and pull out the blade. You can flip it around and use the point. The other point is secured back here. Really nice Elementum utility. Of course, available in a couple of different colors. Another aluminum option is this one, the Chevalier 2, or the Chevalier 2, or the, I don't know how to say it. I really like the blade shape on this one. Nice grind on the blade as well. That finger groove really looks cool. Could be used to open it, I guess, if you want to. I think it's there for looks. Some jimping on the back. You can flip that clip to either side, and this one is also tip up carry. This one is in a really cool anodized orange aluminum handle. So that one's one of my favorites of the aluminum handles from Civivi. Then we've got this one. This one is the Stormhowl. Not the biggest fan of the red, but it does look good on this one. Nice grooves in that aluminum. Button lock, so easy to open and close. Flipper. This one has the Damascus, and flip that clip to either side. Also tip up carry. That's a couple of the aluminum grip options from Civivi. Hope this helps.